We are here in Sligo University Hospital in Sligo town in the northwest of Ireland. Approximately 2 to 3 years ago, we had very inefficient boiler plant, very inefficient circulating pump plant in this hospital. They were constant speed pumps. They were delivering water at medium temperature hot water here at 130 degrees. The seals were breaking on them, and we were finding that the pumps were not reliable and were causing a multitude of maintenance issues. The heating circuits that we had here at Sligo University Hospital are very long. Consequently, we had substantial pipe losses occurring from them. This meant that our Delta T was not working as efficiently as it could have been. We were at a lower rate than the original design was. The index pipe circuit on the heating system here is to our Hirahanan units, and we were also finding that we weren't getting temperatures in colder weather that we required, and it was a necessity for us to upgrade our pump technology. Grundfos pumps are intelligent pumps. They can auto-adapt to the particular load that's on the circuit, and this is important in that we can match up the boiler load with the actual loads that are required by the heating system within the hospital. The pump calculates itself, and we use the Grundfos MI301 remote to generate reports from the pumps monthly. We are saving in excess of 70 to 80% on electrical usage on our pump technology. The new pumps are controlled by BACnet communications cards that work over our BMS system here at the hospital. We use the information that from this system to have better control over some of our processes within the hospital and to make further savings. The old system had no communications at all, so just basically the pump was switched on. There was no information coming back from the pump on either energy use, both electrical energy use by the pump itself or by what the heat load was on the particular circuit. So there's a world of difference between what we had before and what we have now, and this is a real positive step for us in the control of energy on heating within the hospital.